Online fashion shopping can be difficult because customers cannot try products before buying. Many shoppers wonder how clothes will actually look on them, which can make buying decisions harder. FitMagik solves this problem with AI-powered virtual try-on, helping customers see outfits on themselves before making a purchase. This creates a more interactive and confident shopping experience for your store. Customers simply open a product page and click the Try It On button. They can upload a photo in just a few seconds, and FitMagik's AI quickly generates a realistic try-on result. This helps shoppers visualize products better and makes online shopping more personalized and engaging. After the try-on is generated, customers can instantly add products to cart, try another photo, copy discount codes, or share their results with others. These smart actions keep shoppers engaged and encourage them to explore more products on your store. FitMagik also includes useful features for merchants. Store owners can collect customer emails during the try-on experience and offer automatic discount rewards after successful try-ons. These features help improve engagement and create better shopping interactions. From the admin dashboard, merchants can easily track try-ons, customer activity, captured leads, and engagement analytics in one simple place. These insights help store owners understand shopper behavior and measure virtual try-on performance easily. FitMagik also includes smart controls like rate limiting, theme extension settings, and customization options to keep the shopping experience smooth and professional. Setup is simple and requires no coding. Just enable the theme extension, add the virtual try-on block to your product page, and start offering AI-powered virtual try-on instantly. FitMagik helps fashion brands create a smarter and more modern shopping experience by letting customers try before they buy. Try FitMagik, AI virtual try-on today, and bring AI-powered shopping to your store.